at the outset, one of the benefits of being a chamber member is an opportunity for a 10-minute spotlight. If you are relatively new to the chamber and not have that opportunity, you need to see Julie and get it on our calendar. I think Ed Williamson is next.
Ed is next week.
Next week. Everyone else already for next week. 2 weeks out, I don't think that we do. So you can see Julie about that. Okay, Karen, the floor is yours for 10 minutes. You do not have to exclusively talk about your business. You can give any personal information, family, hobbies, whatever the case may be. That is entirely up to you. The floor is yours. I might also add, depending on the nature of your presentation, if you like, I believe we could use that TV monitor back there for a PowerPoint type presentation if you so desire.
Yes, that is
It's
correct.
not maybe
It's wired.
okay.
The whiteboard somehow.
Take it
Do you
away.
want me here or there?
Wherever you want to roam, you can stand wherever. Centrally located, where everybody can maybe hear you. Okay.
Karen, I'll just do this in 2 minutes when you get 2 minutes left.
There, Karen. Good morning. I am Karen Fussel with Flash Door Service. I really do love what I do. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about everything. So hopefully it's a little bit about everything. We have been in business since 2005. I've been in the garage door business for 15 years. I started out as a claims adjuster, auto claims adjuster, and then I was a stay-at-home mom for a while. And then I thought, well, maybe I'll just get a little part-time job. I only work 3 days a week at a garage door company. I thought this will be easy. Phone never rang, it's just a garage door. Well, oh my gosh, that phone just rang and rang and rang. And I guess I kind of started looking at a garage door like looking at a tire. I mean, Clifford, where are you?
I'm right here.
There, yeah, like a tire. And, you know, I think I can just go get a tire and an easy switch. But there's a make and a model that goes with the car, and it's not that easy. So that's kind of like a garage door. You have your different makes and models, your sizes, insulated, non-insulated, and there's just so many things involved with a garage door. When you install a garage door, it has to be balanced, it has to be secure, and if something goes unbalanced, then that really does take away from the integrity of the door. So we do service Dallas, Fort Worth, surrounding cities. We do service San Antonio, Austin, Waco, and we do go all the way out to East Texas and even out to Louisiana. We do residential and commercial, so anyone that has a home will be happy to service and repair any of your garage doors. We do commercial, so that entails any type of warehouse, any type of distribution, any types of collision shop, fire station. And so I do become that nerdy girl. I'm a dorky because I just love doors, garage doors. I mean, we're at a restaurant and I see the full view glass doors at restaurants now. You know, you go to a storage unit. I mean, there's so many doors, and I'm like, oh my gosh. I mean, I am a caring person. You know, my nickname is Care Bear at work because we do care about our customers. You know, we are honest, reliable, and affordable. You know, I have worked with several people here, and we do work off of a referral base. When we are dispatched a call, you will receive a text message and we'll be able to track our truck. You'll be able to see when the technician will arrive. And then we also have a feedback, an automatic feedback that we want to know how is the service that you received? Were you happy? Were you satisfied? If not, we want to know why. Our company is owned by 3 brothers, so we do have a family-based business. Our motto is we want our customers to receive the service that we would want our own family members to receive. You know, we do have the phone calls where where there's an elderly mother that was ripped off, and so we're not that type of company. We want to, do a full inspection, a 25-point inspection. We will give you a review of your equipment and then let you decide on what you would like to have repaired. We do not push for an upsell. We just want you to be knowledgeable about what's going on. I hold these rollers. This is a roller that guides inside your garage door. And I don't know if anybody did roller skating, but do you remember back in the olden days when there were those little iron or metal wheels and you're trying to skate? Well, now then once they turned into the inline skating, then you can really smooth and cruise with your inline skates. Well, that's kind of like your garage door. There's a lot of doors out there that still have the metal rollers. So that door goes up and down, it's loud. When you change these out, it's a smooth, silent door. And then also there's other things we can teach you and help you, having a quiet door. Some people would rather have a noisy door. They want to know when their teenage kid is coming in, So we've offered that to them. We're like, well, we can get you a new quiet opener. Now the openers have the capability where you can open and close them with your smartphone. So that's a nice thing because even, when we're out doing jobs, checking roofs and garage doors, we can call the homeowner, tell them we're here, they're at work, they'll enter in their phone, garage door will open, we get to go in, call them, we're leaving, garage door will close. So, that really does help. You do have your keyless entry keypad, so that if you do have an elderly mother at home, you can have your keypad with the numeric keypad where you can give them the numeric and then open and close door that way. Now, if you guys are ready for spring break, how many of y'all are ready for spring break? I mean, that's coming up, but you're not waiting for the garage door spring to break. Because that's where we've had phone calls and people on the weddings. Where we have the people at weddings, people going to the airports, and if you have a single spring garage door, once that spring breaks, your garage door is not going to lift. So it is best to have a dual spring system so that one breaks, you can still open and close your door. It's still not a safe door because now the other one's fixing to break. But our doors do come with dual spring systems. Let's see what else.
Can't you normally open it?
Yes, you can. If there's two. If there's two, you can pull your release cord and you can still open and close it. But then that other one is fixing to break.
Okay, but if it's just a single.
If it's a single one, then no. I mean, it's going to be pretty heavy. Right. Now some garage door stories. I still have time, right, Julie? Okay. So like I said, I really do care about my crew. I care about the people we work with. So we were out doing a security grill in an apartment complex, 20-foot long parking grill, and I see a spider. And I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I can't we have two forklifts out there, and I was like, I can't let that spider's going to climb up, get on the roof, they're going to be lifted, and it's going to spook them. So I go to the truck, and I grab a 3-foot a screwdriver. So I don't know why, I thought it was like a dog. So I thought I'd go over there and shoot it, and that spider is just there. I'm like, oh no. So I'm stomping, and finally there was a side door, so that spider went out. And then,
how big was this?
that's where I'm going. So that spider went away, and then the crew got started. I left. I came back, checked on them. They're like, "Karen, your friend's still here." I'm like, "Who?" Of course I make friends when I'm at a job site. So I'm like, "Who's here?" And they're like, "Well, he's outside." So I go and I look, well, they were talking about the spider. Now the spider is up on the wall. They're like, "Karen, take a picture with it." I'm like, "Okay." So I go get the screwdriver, and I'm smiling with my friend here. Well, then I go back and I show the general manager. He's like, "Karen, do you know that's a tarantula? Those things jump." Oh no, if that thing would have jumped on me, I would have taken even my crew out. There's no way I would have protected them. So it's always nice. We have a good morale and just a great friendship with all of our technicians. I sent a commercial technician out here once, and the customer called. They're like, "Well, we're just warning you. It smells really bad in the garage." I was like, "Well, so how bad? Is he gonna get sick or what?" They're like, "No, we're just warning you." I said, "Okay." So Larry gets out there and he calls me. He's like, "Karen, it smells really bad." I'm like, "Well, are you gonna get sick? Are you gonna pass out? Are you gonna be okay?" No, it'll be okay. I said, "Okay, we'll just go check it out and let me know it's fine." So he gets up in there, and of course, there's no power. So he's got his flashlight. It's a 20-foot ceiling. So he gets up there, he puts the flashlight on, He calls me back, Karen, there's a dead snake wrapped around the
Oh my
operating
God.
room.
Oh,
I was like, Larry, you know what? Just come down, pack up your tools. Would you want me to cut it out? I'm like, nope. I'm going to protect you. Again, you know, I don't want to put any of my crew to do things that they're not, you know, experts at. So, of course, we did call an exterminator. But, you know, we really do have a lot of fun.
1 minute.
We really do have a lot of fun. So please, I'm Karen with Flash Garage Door Service. If there's anything I can do to help you, let me know. We do new construction, repair, service, and we also do try to help your business as well. We're in so many homes, and I mean, I do give out referrals. I get my crew together and tell them when you're there, because it really does work better when it's on a referral basis. Thank you very much.
Just a quick question. When there are two springs, okay, one breaks, do you recommend to replace one only or both of them?
We give them the option. It is best to do both at the same time, but, you know, we do give them the option. And then we do give them a discount when you change to. That's another thing, as a chamber member, we do give out discounts. I did give y'all some pins on the table, so feel free to take pins. I do have my business cards, I forgot to put those on there. And then we are running specials right now for the tax rebate or
tax refund.
tax refund. So feel free to give me a call. Thank you.
Take care of that for me, so we need to move on.